Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hello children, hope everybody is safe. Today we'll see the third module of the lesson, The World We Live In. Today we'll learn about maps. What do you see in the picture children? It's the India map. What is a map? A drawing of the whole or a part of Earth's surface on a flat sheet is called a map. World map. What do you see in the slide children? It is a world map. We can observe all the 7 continents and the oceans. How are the continents formed? Can you see in the picture? Millions of years ago, the earth consisted of one huge landmass called Pangaea. It was surrounded by a large ocean called Panthalassa. Slowly, the land broke up and started to form separate landmasses. These landmasses are called continents. What do you observe in the map children? We observe North America. It is a continent. What is a continent? The large land masses on earth are called continents. How many continents are there? Earth has 7 continents. Each continent is made up of a number of countries. Can you observe the same in the map children? In North America, we can see Canada, United States of America and Mexico. These all are the small countries in North America. Now, let us see what are the 7 continents. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Antarctica and Australia. You can see the same in the map children. Now, what do you see in the map? Asia. Now, we are going to talk about the continent Asia. Asia is the largest continent covering approximately 30% of the Earth's total land area. It is the continent with the highest population on Earth. Do you know one thing children? Our country India is situated in South Asia. What do you see in the map children? It is the continent of Africa. Now we are going to see about Africa. It is the second largest continent of the world. It is the only continent through which Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Tropic of Capricorn pass through. Do you remember the latitudes which we learnt in the first module children? Yes, we can observe the same in the map. The Tropic of Cancer, then the Equator, then the Tropic of Capricorn. It was also called as Dark Continent because very little was known about its history and its people. What do you see here children? The beautiful Nile River. It is the world's longest river. Africa is home to the longest river in the world, the river Nile. Next, we are going to see about North America. It's the third largest continent in the world. Wow, wonderful. Can you observe the beauty of nature children? It's the Niagara Falls. The famous Niagara Falls is found in this continent. Can you guess what is this continent, children? Yes, it's South America. Now we are going to talk about South America. South America is the fourth largest continent in the world. What do you see in the picture, children? It's the beautiful Amazon rainforest. South America is home to the largest rainforest of the world, the Amazon rainforest. It is called the lungs of the world. Why it's called the lungs of the world, children? Because the dense forests give out a lot of oxygen. Next comes the important thing, Panama Canal. What is it, children? Can you observe in the map? It is marked in red, Panama Canal. What is it? North America and South America are separated from one another by this Panama Canal. Next comes the beautiful continent, Antarctica. Can you observe in the slide, children? It is the fifth largest continent and is located in the South Pole. It is also called the White Continent or the Frozen Continent, as about 98% of its area is covered with snow and ice. Next comes the Europe. Europe is a peninsula. What do you mean by peninsula? Peninsula is a piece of land surrounded by water on three sides and joined by land on the fourth side. Even it is called the peninsula of the peninsulas. Next comes the smallest continent, Australia. It is the smallest continent and also known as the island continent. What do you mean by island, children? Island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all the sides. Animals such as kangaroos and koala bears are native to this continent. What is this, children? What can you observe? It's a ocean. Now we are going to see about the oceans. What is an ocean? About 70% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Vast water bodies on Earth are called oceans. How many oceans are there? There are 5 oceans. They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, otherwise it's even called as Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean. First, we'll see about the Pacific Ocean. It is the largest and the deepest ocean, children. It separates America and Asia. What do you see in the picture, children? It's the Ring of Fire. What is it? It's the Pacific Ring of Fire. Most of the Earth's volcanoes are located in the Pacific Ocean, forming an horseshoe-shaped ring called the Pacific Ring of Fire. Next comes the Atlantic Ocean. This is the second largest ocean, children. It lies between Europe and America. Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean lies to the south of India. Do you know about Singapore, children? Yes, everybody wants to visit that place. Yes or no? Yes. What is it? Singapore is a busy seaport in the Indian Ocean. Next comes the Antarctic Ocean or the Southern Ocean. It lies near the South Pole and surrounds the continent of Antarctica. You can observe the same in the picture, children. The continent Antarctica is surrounded by the Southern Ocean. Arctic Ocean. This is the smallest and shallowest among all the other oceans. It lies around the North Pole. Now we have seen all the oceans. Can we name the oceans again? Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and the Arctic Ocean. Now we are going to do the map activity, children. It's going to be very interesting. to mark the continents and oceans. Come children, let us mark the continents in this world map. On the right, the purple colored continent is Australia. On the top of it, the yellow colored continent is Asia. Have you done it children? To its left, the brown colored continent is Europe. Right below it, the green colored continent is Africa. Have you done it children? To its left, the red colored continent on top is called North America. The orange colored continent below it is South America. And finally comes Antarctica. Now we have marked the continents. Now we'll start marking the oceans. First comes the Pacific Ocean on both the sides. Next comes the Arctic Ocean, then Southern Ocean, then Indian Ocean, then the Atlantic Ocean. Yes children, now we have finished marking the oceans and continents. Next, we are going to see the hard words what we learnt in this module. Children, you have to be thorough with the spellings. Continents, Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Antarctica, Australia. Next comes the oceans. Oceans, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Here is a simple assignment for you children. Mark the 7 continents and 5 oceans in the world map. Color it, write your name, then take a pic and post it in your class group. So children, with this module, we have completed the entire lesson, the world we live in. So what you have to do? You have to read the content in the e-book and try to do the book back exercises. Yes? Thank you children.